Hi, this is Jeff Keamy, and today we're going to discuss transportation requirements to get to and from potential clients and in the installation department, what we recommend for a successful and smooth installation. So when I first started this business, I had a Ford Focus hatchback. And I used that very, very well in our installations. I would stuff a ladder in there, all my equipment, the access points, and it worked fairly well. But what we came to recognize, which is something that I didn't have the opportunity to do at first, is that a truck is certainly the way to go. If you have access to a truck, it's something that you're going to want to have to do the installations. But in the circumstance that you don't have a truck immediately of use for you, you can get away with your current vehicle, whether that be a car or hatchback or SUV of some sort. You can. What I found is that a lot of properties and hotels will have extension ladders and ladders at the property that are free to use when you're doing the installation. A lot of times they kind of respect the fact that you're utilizing their stuff because it makes it easier for you to get around. And typically they'll have a ladder that's kind of built for their property or purchased for their property in the sense that it gets to the places they need to go, roofs, different areas that may need to be reached to install access points. So typically they'll have a few ladders, and even now today we have our truck, we have our ladders and our extension ladders. Every once in a while though, it's just easier to use the extension ladder on site so we don't have to drag it back and forth on our truck. So it's something to know. With transportation, definitely if you have access to a truck, utilize that truck, but it's not needed, especially initially when you're first starting and setting up services. It's something you can get away with probably borrowing the ladder that is available at the property. In a hospitality setting, a lot of times a step ladder will do. That's easy to transport on your own. As far as sales calls go, it doesn't matter, truck or car. What we do ask is that you do have the Wi-Fi sticker on any vehicle that you're utilizing for Wi-Fi proposal generation, client generation, or installations. So this is Jeff Keamy just talking a little bit about transportation and what you need to do or think about to have a successful transport to and from your installations and sales calls.